Hello, another video tutorial for you. This one is about how to get your videos from your phone into YouTube. I am going to go to the YouTube app. If you have not already downloaded the app, you'll want to go to the App Store and download it and make sure that your account is connected. I'm going to YouTube here, and I am going to click on, first of all, I'm going to change to the BHGenius account. All right, I need to upload the video that we just did a few minutes ago on how to get videos from your phone to Facebook. So to do that, I'm going to click on the camera button at the top right of the menu. And I've already given YouTube access to my phone's camera, microphone, and photos. If you have not done that, when you get to this screen, you'll have to give your permission for it to access that. It's already done that for me. I don't want to record and I don't want to go live. I want to select from one of the videos down below that's pulling from my phone. So I'm going to select this video. Hey y'all, I'm going to do a quick video on how to get your virtual tour or virtual showings from your phone in a video onto Facebook. At the very bottom. So first thing I'm going to do here is go to my photos, and I'm going to pull up a video I did earlier today. Next here at the top, since I don't have an actual, and I want to give this a title. We're going to do how to get videos from your phone to Facebook. Help if I could spell. For right now, I'm not going to add a description. Once it's loaded, I'll go online and add a more descriptive text here in the description. The privacy, I don't want this video to be private. I want this to be public so everybody can see it. So I'm going to click on privacy and I'm going to change to public. And then I don't add location on my videos, but you certainly could. I've heard that that does help with your SEO if you're doing a YouTube channel. And then I'm going to click upload. My video is now uploading. You'll see it at the top of the screen that it's preparing. And in just a few minutes, it's going to be live on YouTube for viewers. In the next video, I'm going to go online to YouTube and show you how to find your video and use the link to put in MLS for your virtual tour. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you soon.